Good morning, everyone. Today I'll speak about NATO, the North Atlantic Treaty Organization. NATO is a military and political alliance formed on 4th April 1949. Its headquarters is in Brussels, Belgium. It was created after World War II mainly to ensure collective security against threat, especially from Soviet Union during Cold War. The main principle of NATO is collective defense, which it stated in Article 5 of its charter. It says that an attack on one member country is considered an attack on all member countries. This principle strengthens unity and discourages aggression. Initially, NATO had 12 founding members, including the USA, UK, France, and Canada. Today, NATO has 31 member countries as of recent year, most from Europe and North America. Countries join NATO to gain security, support, and political cooperation. The main objective of NATO are: first, safeguard freedom and security of nation; to promote democratic value; to resolve dispute peacefully; to conduct military operation when diplomacy fails. NATO has played an important role in many global events. During Cold War, it acted as counterbalance to Warsaw Pact. After the Cold War, NATO expanded its role in peacekeeping missions in regions like Afghanistan, Kosovo, and Libya. In recent time, NATO has gained renewed in importance due to conflicts such as Russia Ukraine war, which has raised concern about European security. NATO is strengthening its eastern borders and increasing defense cooperation among members. However, NATO also faces criticism. Some argue that it increases global tension and interferes in internal matter of other nations. There are also challenges related to unequal military spending amongst member countries. In conclusion, NATO remains one of the most powerful military alliances in the world. It plays a major role in maintaining international security, but it must balance military strength with diplomacy to ensure global peace. Thank you.